Hi, I'm Alan Chan, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company and trying to make a YouTube tutorial on how to focus on photoshopping with some hints, such as the invisible layer and sometimes make parts of invisible drawing just to focus on specific drawing. So for you should learn how to group layer this thingy. Right, group from there to and it can make it invincible to make you happy focus on drawing parts. Um yeah, so such as um kind of like this thing and I zoom in. Um so basically when stuff are too small to draw details, um well this one is the one that foreground and background. This one is the overlapping each other outline. But for what we're supposed to doing, trying to play what is invincible line. Like after drawing this fourth thingy, maybe hide it and this, draw this thingy, so it won't block your eye vision when you're trying to draw um when you're trying to draw this. So when you're trying to draw this thingy, try to hide this. This to draw those four triangles. For example, and remember to draw the grid. As on place on 3D to just to get more accuracy, not called focusing. Uh, I think this is basically it. So at least hide some parts and focus on drawing triangles on layers, separate layers. So I think I've done a YouTube video on how to focus on your own drawing by hiding layers and group of layers, parts, just to focus on drawing different parts in overlayer and groups of layers. So you can group by, you can duplicate things, and then you can group from layers by right mouse click. Uh, so I think I'm done on YouTube video. Thank you.